Today we'll be going over how to manage your FFL dealers from within Automatic FFL's admin. So here I've logged into the standalone site at app.automaticffl.com. If you're a BigCommerce user, then you can access this from your admin panel within BigCommerce. But to get to the dealer management page, you're going to go up to this purple icon up here and click on that. And that takes you to the FFL dealer management page. What you're looking at here is your database of FFL dealers. So these are the FFLs that we grab from the ATF, and here you can filter through these FFL dealers and enable or disable them from the map or make them stand out as preferred. At the top of the table, you have your FFL filters. So we have license number here, that's your FFL number, your FFL type, your dealer name, phone, city, state, zip, as well as whether or not the FFL is enabled on the map and whether or not the FFL is marked as preferred on the map, which will make it stand out. Let's see this in real time. I'm going to go ahead and put in a zip code. And we'll focus on Lakeview Pawn Shop here. So I'll click enabled and I'll click preferred. And it'll automatically save. There's no save button. Let's go to our store. I'll hit checkout. And I'll select my dealer. Put in that same zip code. And we see Lakeview Pawn Shop here at the top. The star means it's preferred, and it's going to show up at the top of our list here along with our other preferred dealers. Again, if we go back and we disable it, again, very quick, saves automatically. We'll select our dealer, and we can see Lakeview Pawn Shop. Not only is it not preferred, it is no longer on the map. We have disabled it. So why might we prefer a dealer? Well, there's multiple use cases for this. So we've had clients use the preferred dealer feature to highlight their own FFLs. That's one use case. Another use case is to highlight which FFLs they already have on file. So they might already have the FFL certificates of these preferred FFL dealers. But it's up to the merchant as to how they'd like to use the preferred FFL dealers feature. If you'd like, you can add even more information to your FFLs to display to your customer during checkout. So if we click on an FFL name here, I can add a transfer fee of $35. I'll click add, as well as any other associated fees that I'd like to add for that FFL. And then I can also add business hours. So we'll go ahead and put 8 a.m. through 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. I'll hit add and save. Alright, so now if I select my dealer, I'll see the transfer fee as well as the store's business hours. That is how you manage your FFL dealers for Automatic FFL. However, you might be wondering where the defaults come from. By default, Automatic FFL is showing all Type 1 and all Type 2 FFL dealers, with the exception being your big box stores. So that's going to be Academy, Walmart, Cabela's, Scheels. The list continues. You can still enable these big box stores. You'll just need to enable them yourself.